Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julieta, if you didn't know. So as you may notice, I have changed my room a tiny bit. Okay, maybe a lot. But I wanted to show you guys. This is actually my third room tour. As you can see, I cannot keep my room the same for more than like 6 months. So this is my new room for, well, my new makeover, my new room makeover. Yeah. Oh, and before I start, let me tell you, I painted my whole room by myself. Well, actually my mom and my sister helped me, but it was really hard to paint light pink on top of a dark gray. It was honestly horrible, and I had to sleep in my sister's room for 2 days because the smell was horrible. So please enjoy my pink room. At first I didn't like it, but now I love it. So let's start with the room tour. Hi. Welcome. So as you see, this is my room. I'm gonna give you a 360 tour. When you come in, this is my door. My door has been always the same. This part, it has that I have no idea where I'm gonna put. So they stay on this side, and this person I think I'm gonna sell because I don't use it. And my high school quartz. Honestly, this part is the ugliest. Just saying. On this side is where I have my Alex. Most videos that I watch that they do makeovers, room makeovers, they have the Alex. So this is my Alex. Honestly, if I didn't have this, I would not know what to do with so much stuff. But on this picture, we have a Volkswagen Beetle, because if you guys don't know, I am in love with Volkswagen Beetles, and I cannot wait until I find one so I can buy one myself. But this is the one picture I will have until I get my own one. Okay, so then here is my essential diffuser and all my essential oils, which is filled. And it's so cute. This I got it on Marshall, so honestly, look at how adorable it looks. I don't know if you guys want me to go through this, but I'm just gonna go like quickly. This school stuff, headbands, makeup that no one uses. This is my makeup. This is makeup that I use. Art stuff, a lot of candy and gum, cables, stuff that I have no idea where to put. More stuff that I have no idea where to put, and more stuff that I have no idea where to put. That's where everything goes. We have my little snake plant. I think it's a fake snake plant because most of my plants die. Most, not all of them though, because sometimes I do take care of my plants. Now we have my little tiny vanity. This is another table from IKEA. Everything here is pretty much from IKEA, but this I've had it for so long as well. If you look at it, it is kind of messy, but it's okay. On this side, I put 3 butterflies under the glass, so it kind of looks cool. Honestly, my room is filled with butterflies, if you have not noticed. They were supposed to be like this TikTok video where you just put them on your ceiling, but honestly, I feel like this looks so much cuter. Then I have these pencil holders and makeup brushes and my nails filer. This side, we have my Nintendo, which is charging. I think it's already charged. This really cute triangle that has a mirror, my AirPods. I love crystals and everything that has to do with crystals, so here's a little crystal tree, and these are just filled with earrings. Some earrings that don't fit on my little earring stand. So, and here's my little prayer box that I made myself because when I went to buy one, they were kind of expensive. So on my window, I keep my plants that are still alive. We have this one, which honestly, all my plants have something in it or next to it. This one has a little elephant. This one has 2 little mushrooms that I made, clay mushrooms. This one is kind of dying. It's okay, because it's been living for so long. It does it all the time, you know. Then here's a little turtle, an owl, and this plant is so cool. I mean, I don't know if it's a plant, but it has a little crystal inside, and it's adorable. Here I have a little reminder quote that says, "In a world where you can be anything, be yourself." And it's by Natural Life, which I love. This plant, oh my god, I am in love with this plant. I don't know when it grew this much, but she is growing. Like, I don't know, I thought it was dying, but I guess not. And here we have a Japanese cat. Well, and here we just have, honestly, everything as well. Honestly, money from different countries and stuff like that. I don't know where I find them, but I have so many. sunglasses, all my little clay charms. I love making clay. Stickers. Here I keep scrunchies, pencils, my cap, and here are my allergy medicine, some Zyrtex nose spray, and my EpiPen, my glasses, and this New Testament that I got from school. This man was giving them out and I decided to grab one because everyone was being so mean and not getting them. Then here we have this little guy, and it has my computer, which I haven't opened since quarantine started, which is really weird, but there she is. And here I have all the stuff to make clay and jewelry, and here's just some school stuff and my camera that I don't know what to do with. And this chair is clear, got it from IKEA. This is one of my new parts, which I love. I got this from Wayfair, and I know there's so many conspiracies about Wayfair. I bought this before everything happened. I really had no idea. If honestly, I wouldn't have bought anything. I have all my pretty shirts here. So there you can see, and my pretty shoes there. Doc Martens, my heels, and I have these also that go there, which are really comfy. And on top I have my 3 purses. I hope one day I can have like an expensive purse to like display, but for now they're all my normal ones that I use, but it's okay. So after this we have this wall, which is my moon that was behind my bed before. It doesn't work. It used to be like, it used to have lights, fairy lights over it, but my mom accidentally broke it, so it still looks cute though. Like, look at it. Then we have my curtains. The curtain and everything is still the same. I have my butterflies hanging, and the moons are also hanging still, so that has not changed a bit. As we walk, we see this really pretty rug from Urban Outfitters, and it is so pretty. Here's my little nightstand. I'm not sure if this nightstand I had in my other video, but this is my sister's nightstand. We switched nightstands because she didn't like this one. Here I have 2 plants. One's fake and then the other one's real. My salt lamp and some sleeping mist from Bath & Body Works, which smells really good, and my phone. Inside, my manifesting book, some jewelry boxes, my fan controller, and another spray for my nose because it's allergy season. This wall I have no idea what to put, so if you guys have any idea what to put on top of this my bed, please let me know because I need help, and I've been searching everywhere for pictures but nothing seems to be good enough. Well, for my bed I switched it. It used to be this way and now I put it horizontally, so it kind of looks more like a couch, and I took the back part because I wanted it more like a couch, but I think I need more pillows for it, but that's okay. Then on this wall we have 3 picture frames, and I printed out some pictures from Pinterest, so if it is your art, please let me know. I am so sorry, I just printed a picture without anyone's permission. Then this wall, oh my god, I have no idea where I found inspiration. I really like it. Wait, give me a second, it's kind of messed up. For this part of the room, there used to be kind of like a shelf before, and for some reason I was like, I never really liked the shelf, but I was like, whatever, the shelf is gonna stay because it's gonna stay. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. And then out of nowhere one day I was like, I want a mirror right there. This mirror is huge, and for the price I feel like it was pretty good, and it has like gold sides. It was like 150, don't remember exactly, but I think it was a good price because I was looking at Urban, they were selling for like $400, and I was not about a cop. So I got this. Then I put my vines that I had before on the other side of the room here, and I even put a little butterfly to make it look even cuter. Yeah, honestly, I really like this part. And on the side, since there's some space, I put earring holder with clay, and honestly I find it so adorable. I just can't fit any there because I have hoops, but I put a little mushroom on top. And then here I have my necklaces that I use all the time, and I put another mushroom. On this side I have my bandanas. Onto the other side of the room, here my sister was giving her room also a makeover, so she had pictures left over and I decided to put them all over my wall. Here's my closet. There's really nothing in my closet now that all my shirts are over there, but there's really nothing. And I have this little, I don't know what it is, it's just there. This sun looking mirror from Urban. It used to be brown, but I painted it gold a long time ago, so that's why it's gold. And then here's the last part of the room. On the top we have shelves, and on this shelf we have a clock, this picture, another salt lamp, And on this one, we have a J for my name, a fake plant, and 2 little ceramic things there from H&M. On this shelf, we have a little plant, fake plant. And I have this moon that has always been here, never changed. Little tiny pictures, I hang them here. And it's so cute. Most of my pictures are just family. I honestly don't know where my favorite pictures are. Sorry. I have my record player with puka. And here, this is my friend, she gave it to me. And here's a moon which contains all my jewelry that I take off to like the beach and everything, so it doesn't get ruined because it's a little pricey. On the bottom, we have books on this side, and also my jewelry. Like I have jewelry in there. Here it has my perfumes, and I honestly love wearing perfumes, so that's why I have a lot. And this other purse that I felt like it didn't look good over there in my clothing rack, so I put it here. And on the back, it has all my crystals, so I keep them in the back. In this bin, we have underwear and stuff like that. So and finally, this part, which I had no idea what to do with my guitars, so I put them inside this. And my favorite thing in the world. So that is it for my room. Hopefully you guys really liked it. Please leave down below any suggestions for this part of my room, because I still don't know what to put, and any video ideas that you guys would enjoy in my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.